Now this is a departure for Hunky Dory, and I know it's going to be a favorite by many of us. It's called Horse and Country. It is a luxury topper collection, and it has every horse style I can possibly think of. You can see some of the finished examples are here on the idea sheet that is going to accompany the kit. And let me see. So I've separated these out by what kind of goes together. So this is called A Mother's Love. Now there are 51 foil die cuts, and the artwork is just very special. And you can see these are all printed on a matte paper, and so that foiling just really pops. So as you can see, many layers. You've got frames within frames, the words, and just really nice. So to go coordinate with this, you have the printed adorable scorable, but you also have a foiled one. So you can use that, and you also have an insert. Now the insert is a ghosted back image. It matches the artwork that's on the die cuts, and you can use it for the inside. It's meant to be inserted into your cards, but you can certainly use them on the front of your cards should you choose. Now this is called Rural Life, and you can see those working horses, and again the foiled adorable scorable, the unfoiled, the printed, and the insert. So that collection is going to be true of all of them. Little girls and horses certainly go together, and you can see this is titled At the Stables. There's always a title up here in the upper right hand corner. I love the fact that there are borders as well as greetings, as well as the multiple frames. I think that's just so useful, because even if you don't use it on these cards, because they're plain, you can use them on any card. So again, we have the printed, and we have the foiled, and the insert. Okay, yes, you're gonna get tired of my saying that, but it's true. I don't want you to miss anything. This is called Free Spirit, and it says the smallest step in the right direction can turn out to be the biggest step of your life. Very, very nice. And as you can see, we've got the printed and the foiled and the insert. I know horse lovers out there are going to love it. Now you get multiple of the inserts, so as you can see, you've got a whole bunch of them. So there are 16 of them, and these are all kind of neutral. So whether you want to use them on these cards or you want to use them on other cards, it's always a great value. And this is Horse and Country, just a really special collection from Hunky Dory, and we're delighted to have it here at paperwishes.com.